Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and getting the first actionable steps done now. Enable virtualization in BIOS so the emulator can run. This is essential. Update your GPU driver to the latest DirectX-capable version, then free at least 10 GB on your drive. Once done, install the official Google Play Games beta installer as administrator. Make sure Windows is 64-bit and you have 4 CPU logical cores available. These initial moves remove the common blockers that prevent installation. You now configure the emulator and fine-tune drivers to meet the minimum requirements. Run the installer as administrator and pick a custom path on your fastest drive. This prevents permission and slow I/O issues. In the emulator settings, allocate 2 to 4 CPU threads and 4 to 6 GB of RAM. This balances performance versus system load. Next, pick DirectX if your GPU driver is vendor updated. Otherwise, choose OpenGL for compatibility. Once configured, restart Windows to apply driver and virtualization changes. You finish by launching Google Play Games and letting it download core components. Sign in and allow any additional system prompts. If the app fails with a black screen or crashes, toggle the emulator graphics mode between DirectX and OpenGL, and if that fails, reinstall the GPU driver from safe mode to remove corrupted files. Make sure to check Windows Event Viewer and the emulator logs for error codes. That information speeds any further troubleshooting or when you contact support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.